Recipes and video tips. Hit the bell icon once you're subscribed and never miss a video from Recipes Are Simple. Hey guys, today I'm sharing the recipe for quick Thai noodles with shrimp. This is my go-to recipe when I wake up late on the weekends and I need to rush and set the table with a warm hot breakfast or brunch. If you're craving Asian for breakfast or dinner for that matter, this is a great quick recipe for you. And a look at the main ingredients used here. We're using 220 to 250 grams of rice noodles. Now I'm using red rice noodles, which is a great new gluten-free option. These noodles have a great bite to them and they're more pasta-like, so I really like them. If you get to buy them, surely give them a try. So soak the rice noodles according to package instructions. Red rice noodles requires a longer soaking time. I'm soaking them in cool water for 30 minutes. So let's set that aside. And you will need 8 to 10 large shrimp or prawns. Now we're going to quickly peel and devein these. I'm not using the heads for this recipe. So that's done, and now we're going to marinate the shrimp with some simple ingredients. We're using a tablespoon of corn flour, a quarter teaspoon of turmeric powder, a quarter teaspoon of salt, and 1 to 2 teaspoons of lime juice. Now you want to mix this all into the prawns and set it aside while we prepare all the other ingredients for this recipe. We'll need some chopped vegetables. I'm using 1 small carrot, julienne, a quarter cup of cabbage that's shredded, 1 cup of bok choy or similar greens that's roughly chopped, and 1 long mild red chili chopped. That's optional. It brings a burst of color and some spice. Once the noodles have soaked for the appropriate time, we can drain them. You want to drain them a couple of minutes before you start cooking. Now I want to mix the sauce ingredients together. We're using 1 teaspoon of dark, thick soy sauce. We're also using 2 teaspoons of light soy sauce. And here I prefer to use these 2 brands combined together, so a teaspoon of each. It gives a better flavor. You can always try playing around with your soy sauces because they all taste different. I'm also adding a tablespoon of Thai chili sauce and 1 teaspoon of fish sauce. One teaspoon of lime juice, or to taste. Give it a good stir and always taste your sauce ingredients and adjust to taste. You can add a little bit more of any of the sauces. I'm adding a little bit more of that Thai chili sauce here. And the last ingredients that we need to prep is chopped garlic. I'm using a generous tablespoon of finely chopped garlic and 3/4 of a tablespoon of finely chopped ginger. We also need chili paste. I'm using my homemade chili paste. Please check out my video for how to make that. Now for best results, we want to add the oil to a cool wok and bring it to heat on a lower flame. So slowly bring it to smoking heat. I'm adding 3 to 4 tablespoons of peanut oil, Now I'm going to turn up the heat and we're going to toss the marinated prawns in this hot oil briefly till they change slightly in color. That's they turn slightly opaque and white in color. And as soon as they've changed color, we're going to add the finely chopped ginger and garlic and toss well till it's fragrant. Once slightly fragrant, we can add our teaspoon of chili paste and toss through briefly. We want to cook off all the raw flavors of the ginger garlic and the chili paste. And now it's time to add the drained noodles and toss well to fry and coat the noodles thoroughly with the oil, as well as incorporate all the ingredients thoroughly. Once the noodles are coated well, add the veggies, maintaining a high heat, and toss well for about 30 seconds. We want to keep the vegetables crunchy and don't want to overcook them. So I'm adding most of my vegetables first, and I just want the leaves to wilt down before I add some more. I might not use all the vegetables. So I'm adding some more vegetables now. I use just about all of the vegetables. And just toss them through till they're slightly wilted. Don't cook them too long. And we can stir in our sauce ingredients now. At this point, you want to stir through just until the sauce is heated through and mixed well. We don't want to stir the noodles too roughly to prevent them from breaking up too much, although these red rice noodles are much stronger than the regular rice noodles. And this certainly smells good, and it didn't take much time at all. So I hope you try this recipe for quick Thai noodles with shrimp and let me know how it went. Thank you to all of you who have sent me messages asking me why I haven't been uploading regularly for a while. I hope to be doing so soon. I hope to hear from you all. Thanks a lot. If you like my videos and recipes, please don't forget to subscribe, like, and leave a comment. You can also take a picture of a dish that you prepared from Recipes Are Simple and share it on one of my social media links.